guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name's Carly. So ever since quarantine started, I've basically been an organizing machine. I've done my entire closet, I've done my jewelry, I've done my makeup, I've done my spice cabinet, and the other day I decided to do my linen closet. So I figured I would just set up my camera and just kind of show you guys how I ended up doing it. I'm sure that I'm not alone. I'm sure that there's lots of people out there just organizing their entire house. And honestly, for me, it's been a little bit of a blessing in disguise because it's things that have needed to be done for a while and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So if you're interested to see how I organize my linen closet, just keep watching. So this is what the closet started off looking like. It was a complete disaster. You know, it was organized at one point, but just over the last year or two of me just throwing things in there day after day, I mean, things just tend to get unorganized just naturally. So what I ended up doing is just taking everything out of the closet to begin with and dumping all of the baskets out because I knew I wanted to completely redo everything. Then I decided to just start placing the baskets in there without any of them being full, just so I could see aesthetically where I wanted them to be, where they would fit, and what shelves I was gonna end up putting everything on. Now these baskets I've had for a long time, so I just decided to end up using these just so I didn't have to buy anything new. So I'll go on to Amazon and find one similar and link them down below, but what I do suggest before buying anything like this is that you measure your shelves so that you know exactly the space that you have to work with. Alright guys, so here's the final product. I have towels in the bathroom, so these are just some extra towels here. And then I put my towels that I use on the stove and then some washcloths that I clean the house with in this bin here. So moving down to the second shelf, here is going to be all of my makeup. Here is my makeup organizer. This thing is so great. It holds so much makeup. I will link this down for you guys below because it is an Amazon find. It's such a good buy. Behind here I have my travel makeup organizer case, and then in this basket I decided to do a bunch of my eyeshadow palettes, blush palettes, all kinds of stuff, all my eyelashes and some other just like beauty things. And then back here in this second basket, I did all of my tanning, all of my self-tanning stuff. As you can see, I have a lot of different brands and ones that I have tried out in the past that I still use now. Now moving down to the third shelf, this is kind of where I just keep all of the backup things that I have or that I use. So I have hairspray, dry shampoo, shampoo and conditioner, bar soap, a rose water spray that I use, Q-tips and makeup remover pads, and then here's all of my travel stuff like my deodorant and just like mini size things like that. Tampons obviously, and then in the back here is just like my self-care kind of extra stuff. I have some teeth whitening strips, a hair mask pack that I use, and then a foot exfoliating mask, all of my extra razor heads, and then in this basket here I did all my electronic stuff. So here is my laser hair removal, this is another little shaver, my Clarisonic charger, my fan that I use to dry all of my skincare and setting sprays, and then this thing is so good too. I've talked about it before, but it is a clothes shaver. It gets off all the pills off of your clothes or furniture or whatever you need. It's amazing. I'll link that below as well. And then moving down to this last shelf here, this is just all of my travel cases that I use for like my makeup and cosmetics, skincare, all that kind of stuff. So those are all there. I have a little bin in the back here for all the dog stuff, shampoo, conditioner, any kind of like, Barkley has bad skin, dry skin, so he's like an oatmeal spray, and then their nail cutters as well. And then here is all of my nail stuff. This thing has seen better days, but I love it so much. It's like a hard case. I don't even remember where I got it, but it has all my nail polish in there. You know, a little foot scraper and then nail polish remover. And then on the very bottom is where I keep all of my extra toilet paper. So I'm pretty happy with the way that it came out. I feel so much more organized now in here. It was getting to be such a mess. Okay, you guys, so that's it. Hopefully this video inspired you to get a little bit more organized in your own home, wherever that may be, especially now that we have so much more time in our hands and we can actually fit things like this into our daily schedules. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.